Right, hello, welcome to Spiky Trucking. Yeah, we're about to eat, or we've got to prepare it, cook it, and then we're on the back of the trailer here, outside here in Reading on this very, very hot 35 plus Celsius evening. Just gone 8 o'clock in the evening here, just outside Reading in Berkshire, England. So yeah, we're just about to do some cooking, and we're going to do something basic. That's all I'm going to do is instant mashed potato. Going to boil up the kettle with hot water, mix that in the bottom of the bowl, and then cook up some ravioli, put that on top, a little bit of cheese and a cup of tea, and yeah, it'll be time for dinner time. First up, we're going to put the water in the kettle, get that done, and then we can get the hot water on the go and then put the ravioli into the saucepan. And also for a cup of tea as well. So that's all that done. We can have that out of the way there. So I get the lid back on. Right, we're going to light up the gas and that. We're going to turn the gas bottle on and light up. Right, gas is on. In the meantime, we're just going to have some beef ravioli. Put that into the saucepan. Right, so the kettle is on boiling. It's on the way at the moment, boiling up. Next we're going to get the bowl we have here, and we're going to put the mashed potato into the bowl, or after we've actually put the hot water into the bowl first, then mix in the mash, and then in the meantime we're just going to get the ravioli on the go. So the kettle's about to boil, we're just going to put the ravioli on, get the burner on the go for that one. So ravioli's on, kettle's boiling. So we'll leave the kettle as it is for the moment, let the ravioli cook up. So everything there is what we need. So the ravioli is just about to mix it up. And now let that boil up. And we're going to put the mashed potato there into our bowl. Once the hot water's in it, mix it up till we get like the right mixture. And then from there, once the ravioli's done, we can put the ravioli on top of the mashed potato in the bowl, and then we're ready for eating. And in the meantime, we're just going to have a bit of Wensleydale cheese, cranberry style. So we're going to put the hot water now into the bowl. Should be enough hot water there. Mix in some mash. Be enough, I think. Mix in. Mix in the mashed potato. Just the right amount now. Touch more water in. Make sure we get the right texture and stuff. And then goes the ravioli. Done. Cup of tea is all ready to be put in hot water. So yeah, cup of tea's done. Sugar everything's in, done. And I'm going to put the hot water in the bowl in a moment and then we're done. Let's turn off the gas. Dinner's served, we're done. And that's outside here in 30 plus degrees heat. About 8:30 in the evening now. It's Monday, here just outside Reading, Berkshire, England. And yeah, Din Din's is ready to eat. Some Wensleydale cheese, and that's got light coloured cream type cheese, Wensleydale, and it's got cranberry pieces in with it. Very nice. So, hope you enjoyed a spiky trucking, doing a bit of cooking outside while it's nice and hot. And yeah, we'll catch you again soon. Peace out. Take care. Don't forget like, subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Peace.